Scott with Industrial Injection here. We got a couple of second gens. We've got a 12 valve and a 24 valve. This one over here is pretty much stock, but it's been worked hard and it's ready for a new turbo. This 24 valve already has a Phatshaft 62 on it. Let's go check it out. So here we have the Phatshaft 62. If you buy it in the kit, it comes with a downpipe and clamp, the HX40 downpipe and clamp, and it's ready to drop in, bolts right in. But one of the best ways to revitalize your 24 valve or 12 valve is to slide a Phatshaft in it. Everybody knows the Phatshaft will help your 12 valve last a little longer. So if you're looking to replace your turbo in your 12 valve or 24 valve, be sure to check out the Phatshaft 62 kit and the Phatshaft Viper 62 kit. We'll keep your 12 valve, 24 valve running great for the next 200,000 miles. What can you say? You know an owner of a 12 valve, he does work. He doesn't have office hands like me. And that's probably why I don't own a 12 valve.